My name is Zhang Qiangwei. My English name is Echo, and Echo is also the name of a company. We are a professional manufacturer of packaging machines. We have a very professional team. They need to answer dozens of calls every day, read and edit hundreds of emails, introduce our packaging machine to customers, and answer customers' questions. We plan the company's future together, protect the interests of customers, so that customers can safely order our products. Our company has a mature production line. More than 400 professional workers work hard in the workshop, using the most advanced machines for production and processing, and then assembly parts into a high-quality packaging machine. Echo has many types of packaging machines, such as vacuum packaging machine, vertical packaging machine, pillow packaging machine, and so on. It only needs one person to operate, and the machine can automatically complete the whole process. It provides comprehensive packaging service for solid, liquid, powder, and even multi-type material products. We assemble and process the produced parts into a packaging machine, and then pack and ship them after debugging and testing. Each process has strict inspection and control system. We must make sure that the quality of the packaging machine is infallible. Finally, we distribute them through various channels on land and sea to ensure that the packaging machine can be delivered to customers safely and on time. Our machines have absolute quality assurance. In addition to CE certification, we also have a number of patents. Through 10 years of continuous efforts, the sales volume has been greatly increased year by year, and the customers are all over the world. Although Echo has been very successful, but we still don't forget the original intention and work towards our goal.
Your first choice.
Your first choice.
Your first choice
in packing machine.
Your first choice in packing machine.